Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I appreciate you joining me. Well, we're going to dive into a quick mini-series about Wi-Fi. We're going to go over numerous topics over the next couple weeks and just give you a better understanding about the Wi-Fi you use in your office. So today we're going to talk about the frequencies of Wi-Fi, and a lot of people just may not understand the difference between them. So whenever you connect to your device to Wi-Fi, you're actually going to connect to two different types of frequencies. One of them is a 2.4 gigahertz connection, and the other one is a 5.0. Now, they each have their pros and cons of what they deliver for you and your experience with Wi-Fi. So for instance, a 2.4 connection is going to provide you a range indoors of about 150 feet from where the signal is created and outdoors at about 300 feet. So it gives you a pretty wide range. Compared to a 5.0 gigahertz connection is only going to supply you a range of 1/3 that amount. Now you might think, why the heck would I ever want to use 5.0 if 2.4 gives me such a big range? Well, the reason why is because the speed of the 5.0 is much faster than the 2.4. So if you want a bigger range, you sacrifice speed. If you want better speed, you sacrifice range. Those are just two things to look at. So whenever you're connecting things in your office, something to keep in mind if you're battling a range and speed. So we appreciate you joining us for this part one for this week. We'll see you next time for the next aspect of our Wi-Fi mini-series. As always, if you have any computer questions, feel free to call us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Appreciate it.